What a great day to be alive and holding Zilliqa. Zilliqa is up by 18% and we are heading towards 3 cents. Now, for those of you who are part of the Beyond 10x family, right? In my previous video, I did give you a buy signal as far as Zilliqa is concerned. I gave you all the reasons why Zilliqa was going to end up pumping, and this pump is just beginning. I mean, if we take a look at the what has been happening with regards to the price of Zilliqa, right? We are just getting started. Like ever since I gave you that buying signal, we've had over 5 tremendous days of upward momentum, and I really hope that you guys really enjoyed that one. I've got more buying signals for you with regards to a whole lot of different opportunities as far as trading cryptocurrencies are concerned. So this is one of the reasons why you definitely need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and just be part of the family, because a lot of people are going to be making quite a lot of money. Now, getting back to Zilliqa, right? Obviously, looking at the buying volume is just ridiculous. The buying volume is amazing in comparison to what we used to have previously. So this is one of the reasons why I was pretty sure that the correction was done. Now, for a lot of you who have been part of my YouTube channel, right, I was obviously talking about 7/10 of a penny as far as the price of Zilliqa is concerned, right? Obviously, if you take a look at the chart of Bitfinex, I'm not going to do it right now because I already spoke about this, right? Obviously, the price of Zilliqa on Bitfinex dropped below 1 cent. So obviously that dump has already happened, and I really believe that the price of Zilliqa in the next coming few days is obviously going to end up cracking this particular resistance right over here. So we are definitely going to go above 3 cents. We might potentially go to 4 cents eventually, but right now the biggest hurdle that we have is this particular resistance right over here. However, I really believe that this resistance is nothing. It is nothing because there's going to be like a huge influx of buyers, and the volume is just starting here. We haven't even reached the peak volume that we used to have way, during way back in the day when we had this amazing pump. So guys, the pump is just beginning, and of course there's going to be opportunities for you to get in. You can obviously use the triple screen entry. You can get in when there is 4-hour dumps, and then when there is a little bit of buying power coming through on the 1 hour. I know it's very hard for you to understand what I'm saying, but for those of you who are very active traders and you guys have had experience, right, you obviously know what I'm talking about. You can always find a way to get in without being wrecked, okay? However, you have to be extremely careful, especially to the people who didn't get to buy Zilliqa when we talked about buying last video about 3 days ago. So right now, I really hope that everybody's having a good time. And with regards to the fundamentals, okay, we know Zilliqa Capital is going to be doing a whole lot of different good things, and they're going to be pumping money into this particular project. And this particular project has to obviously reach about 1 billion market cap in order for the herd to sort of take it serious. So this is one of the reasons why Zilliqa Capital is most likely going to be using market makers and just pumping a whole lot of money into this particular project, because in order for the cryptocurrency community to really start taking it seriously, right, it needs to be in the top 10 or have a market cap which is going to be above 1 billion US dollars or even 2 billion US dollars. And right now it is extremely undervalued. It's only 264. So if you measure $264 million, all the way to about 2 billion, that's like really a whole lot of profit, and you guys are really going to end up making a whole lot of money. And the good thing about Zilliqa is it really has a lot of good tokenomics. I mean, it has got one of the most brilliant tokenomics ever. I mean, I have shared like a number of videos as far as a whole lot of different things are concerned with regards to Zilliqa. So this is one of the reasons why you definitely have to go through my YouTube channel. There's a lot of material as far as breaking down Zilliqa, because for the past 2 months I have been breaking down everything, and you guys need to understand what is really going on. And Zilliqa is a unicorn. Trust me, in the next coming 1 year, you guys are going to be so amazed and so freaking happy that you bought Zilliqa while it was at 2 cents, because this thing can actually go as high as $1. Trust me, I saw cryptocurrencies such as Ripple, Verge, Cardano. During a bull market, everything goes crazy, you know, and Zilliqa has got the best blockchain out there. By far, you can't even compare it to anything which is existing on the market. Yes, they had the first mover advantage, but Zilliqa is going to catch up eventually. However, you have to remember to always be very rational. Okay, this was a very good trade that we had, and yes, we are enjoying the gains, but whenever we are going to be having moments where the prices are sort of going to be having some exhaustion signals or signs, I'm going to be able to like give you the heads up. And you have to remember, I am not a financial advisor. Do not just buy something just because I recommend buying it. You have to do your due diligence, because I am not responsible for your financial moves. Okay, I'm just here trying to share what I see on the chart. So right now we are about to crack this resistance, and then when this resistance is cracked, all hell is going to break loose. There's going to be FOMO to the, I don't know, it's going to be FOMO to the max. So you have to be, you know, you just have to do what's right. You just have to do what's right. So if you guys are going to be investing for the long term, it doesn't really matter whether you buy it at 3 cents, at 4 cents. It doesn't really matter. If you are going to be long term, you can just buy and just forget about it. But if you guys happen to be swing traders like me, of course, these different volatile, you know, movements are very important, because I am a swing trader and I'm trying to like debo and dabble and just get in where I can. And to me, I just try to play these volatile situations. But if you guys happen to be extremely busy people, you've got day jobs and you've got like a whole lot of things happening, investing now and just letting it ride for the next year is really going to be the best decisions that you will make this particular year. So it doesn't really matter whether you guys play the volatile you know, fluctuations. It doesn't really matter. However, the race has begun, and I really think it's really going to do tremendously well. So anyhow, looking forward to seeing this particular resistance get cracked here, perhaps in the next coming 5 to 7 days conservatively. So yeah, we'll see what's going to happen. So please let me know, why do you think we are beginning to pump? Is it time to release the Kraken, or has the Kraken been released as far as Zilliqa is concerned? So, you know, how many people got Zilliqa when we talked about it potentially continuing the upward, you know, momentum? So yeah, I have a lot of great information, a lot of great cryptocurrencies for you that you can trade, and I'm super excited for everybody. I'm super excited for everybody. So please turn on post notifications. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. I think I'm going to change my name to Beyond 100x, because I'm going to be giving you bangers, and oh man, I'm super excited. So yeah, take care, be good, and God bless you.